Hey, what's up, y'all? So today,
Hey, Dad.
hey, what's up?
What you doing?
I'm shooting an intro for my video.
Oh, that reminds me. I came up with a new slogan for Harley. Ready? We're here, we're queer, and deal with it.
No. They're not doing the DEI thing anymore. They're done with that. No, we can't do that.
Okay, so you're here, you're queer, get out?
No, we can't do. But no, that's not that. We're just gonna roll the intro. We're just gonna roll the intro. Here's the good question, is did I lock that? I don't have any clue if I did or not. Did I lock this? I didn't. Look at me. That's old age starting to show. Smitty's a goober. Well, life goes on. Okay. Hello. First things first. Business out of the way. Mom Monsters Inc. I've spoke about them before. I spoke about the Hokay, I spoke about Iceman, the amazing run that he made, and Riot, and the rest of the monsters. Go to Mom Monsters Inc. Go to Gavin's page on Facebook. The links are down there in the bottom in the description. Chingayeta. Go check him out. Go buy some coffee for Gavin. Support that kid. He's awesome. Go support Iceman. Those guys are awesome. Go support him. Now, Rolling Throttle Inc. My friend Drew and the rest of the cats over at Rolling Throttle Inc. If you own a Harley and you want to get performance parts done, i.e. exhaust, Sawicki Speed Shop, Sawicki Exhaust, suspension technology suspension, go over there to Rolling Throttle. There'll be a link in the description where you can go check them out. Go check out Rolling Throttle. Tell them Big City. Tell them Big Shitty. Yeah, tell them Big Shitty sent you. Tell them Big Smitty sent you. Now, yes, I am wearing a motovlog rig. I'm wearing the fucking camera. I did not want to. I like wearing my little shorty helmet. I like wearing my 3/4 helmet. I'm way behind on motovlogging. Yes, I know, people. I have no intention of making a Harley-Davidson video. There's been so many woke videos and things done that I just didn't feel the need for me to make one. I'm not really making a woke video right now. I think the title of this is going to be, do we have to talk about Harley-Davidson? But because I've been asked a bunch what I think. Smitty, what do you think? What's your opinion? I'm gonna slap the old motovlog helmet on as I take a short ride and tell you what I think. So a lot of people got seriously upset about DEI stuff. I saw all that. That's a tough one, because if you work in like corporate America at all, which I don't have a corporate job, but I work for a very large company, diversity and inclusion is like a huge part of everyday stuff that we said and did 10 years ago that was okay to do or make fun of. It's not okay today. The company I work for has a spot at the bottom of your emails for your pronouns. Now I choose not to put my pronouns on there because that's just me, but there are people who want that, and that's fine. Do your thing your way. We good, baby. People were really angry saying Harley-Davidson has forgotten about its core customer group. They forgot about their core customer group a long time ago. This is not anything new. So for anybody who's like, I can't believe they forgot about their customer base, man, they forgot about their customer base a long time ago. So it's really nothing new. I don't know why people got really upset about it. I do know why. I don't get involved on either side of that stuff. I just don't, for a ton of reasons. I don't talk politics and stuff for a ton of reasons, but I understand people getting frustrated and upset because I'd like us to get to a point where we just say, hey, I don't agree with you and you don't agree with me. We don't have to hate each other. We just can disagree and agree to disagree, and that'd be okay. there was a lot of motovloggers and people who got, you know, super angry, and because the internet tells you what to get angry about. And there was vloggers who made like videos that got a ton of views. There was dudes that shot up Harley-Davidson motorcycles. My opinion is, and I saw some of those, and it was people shooting up older bikes. I didn't see anybody shooting up a $40,000 Road Glide or a $50,000 CVO. I don't see anybody going over to Honda like I did years ago. I don't see that happening because people are just, they're doing their thing, which is cool. Man, you have a right to be upset and voice your opinion. I completely agree with that, whether, you know, I agree with you or not. I think we have a situation in this country where we have people that are like, it's like they want you to be extreme left or extreme right, and you can't be kind of in the middle anymore. And I'm one of those people that sort of sits in the middle. Like, the extreme left is too far left for me, and the extreme right's too far right for me, and I'm like in the center somewhere. And I feel like definitely for sure I'm one of those people that there's nobody that has that voice as far as politicians go. There ain't nobody that's like, I don't know, midstream. Everybody's to one side or the other, and if you don't agree and you don't pick a side, then you're just making it worse. And I'm like, okay. But my deal with it is that hey man, I'm all for freedom of speech, whether I agree with you or not. I'm not saying I disagree with the people that were mad at Harley. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that I agree with them either. Man, I understand boycotting and things. People made really good videos. Bro the Biker did. Sean from UCM Pigs made a great video. A lot of people make good videos where they said, you know, the only problem with boycotting is that we hurt American workers here. I think Harley moving Rev Max to Thailand, if they're still doing that, I haven't looked. I think that's bullshit. You know, I think Harley got a little bit of a wake-up call to see that, you know, people are not happy with some of the things they're doing, and I think that, you know, this whole deal might have been a good thing to kind of get Harley's attention. I know there's people that made videos saying we won, they backed off the DEI stuff. I don't think you're going to see them. Every company is going to have their own DEI stuff one way or the other. Even if it's not as extreme as others. That's the climate we live in now. I'm 47 years old. I'm an older guy, so there are things that I'm not used to and things that I don't really know about anymore. And so I've had to make changes in the way I say and do things and be a little bit more respectful of other people's wishes and feelings and stuff, whether I agree or disagree or whatever else, because that's the climate of today. Fine, we have to work together. We can totally disagree. I work with some amazing people that I don't agree with their political views, and they definitely don't agree with mine. I'm one of those fuck the left, fuck the right, fuck the government kind of people. Okay, I don't trust the government. I don't trust either political party of the two major parties at all. That's just me. I don't trust them. That's where I stand. I don't trust politicians and lawyers, and I very rarely trust doctors. That's just me. Maybe it's my age group. I'm a Gen Xer, which all the videos of people trying to wake up Gen Xers lately, and that's a bad idea. Don't wake up my generation. We're mean. We were raised by boomers. We were raised by boomers who were raised by the greatest generation that did were World War II people and stuff. So we're not I don't know, just leave the Gen Xers alone. We're mean, and we don't care about your feelings, and we don't even care about our own damn feelings. So imagine how we'll treat you. But anyway, I look at it this way. So Harley-Davidson has made some really good upgrades on their motorcycles, their 2024s and all their other bikes. They're listening to the customer base on that end. The 2024 Road Glide, Street Glide, what they're doing, the Lowrider S, and the Lowrider ST and all that stuff. Man, they're doing some cool stuff with the Softails. Harley has done some cool things lately. Okay, no lie. So I think they're listening to the customer base on certain parts. Their customer base is getting older. That's the thing. the people that primarily can afford $20,000 and $30,000 Harleys are my age and older, mid-40s and up, because a lot of kids getting out of college cannot afford to have a payment on a $35,000 bike with paying off school loans and just trying to live because of inflation and blah 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 blah. It's expensive. But Harley has done a really good job lately of upgrading and doing things to their bikes. I think they need to put some lower price bikes in their forte or in their lineup. But man, they've done a good job of that, and they've done a good job of making upgrades that people really wanted on the bikes. I'll give Harley that much. Hey, kudos. I think they have secretly taken some political stances that piss people off, but that every company does that. I think what Harley-Davidson is going to do now, they may still have some of the same political stances, but they ain't going to broadcast it anymore. They're not going to talk about it anymore because they piss a lot of people off, and that's probably a smart thing for Harley-Davidson. I'll say this. I don't see anybody selling their bikes back. I don't see anybody doing crazy stuff. I would say this. If you love Harley-Davidson, you're going to keep riding. Nobody's switching over to Honda. Nobody's switching over to where. There might be some people who sell their Harleys and go to Indian because it's an American bike. I don't see people jumping ship and getting on Gold Wings. I just don't. I'm sorry. It's just the facts. I don't see that happening, and that's simply because of the love and pride that people have in their Harley-Davidsons, and that's cool, man. I like that. We need Harley to do well. I had somebody go, why do you give a fuck what happens to Harley, Smitty? Because I need Harley to do well, because it brings new riders in, it brings new viewers in to riding channels. It brings things into to light. Harley-Davidson is the key to getting people to ride. It really, really is. There's more Harley riders than there is anything else, and that's the way it is. And that's not a bad thing. I used to be a Harley rider myself. I rode Harleys for over 12, 15 years before I switched out. There's nothing wrong with that. Everybody just kind of stand down, you know, enjoy riding your bike. If you don't like what they're doing, then don't buy anything new from them. Keep riding what you're riding, keep your bike, and do your thing. Just get out there and ride. I don't care what you ride, just ride. Yeah, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you get notification when the shit show gets rolling again. Look, just a quick chat about Harley-Davidson. I have not wanted to make a Harley woke, Harley DI, Harley failed video, because that's not what this was about. It's just telling you what I think, what things are going. I don't think it really matters. Harley-Davidson is the machine. It's going to keep producing. And people are not going to get rid of their Harleys, because why would you get rid of a $30,000 Harley? Like I said, I've seen people shoot theirs up, but I noticed it was older bikes. I think a boycott works. I think not spending your money if you're not comfortable works. And I believe in free speech, that you should be able to do whatever you want to whenever you want to. I also want to be careful about how we affect our neighbors, other American workers who work for Harley. It's important to them because they need it. So, but anyway, I don't get political. You heard how I feel. You heard what my political stance is. But again, I'm not. This wasn't making a video running Harley-Davidson down. I talked about what I think they do well, what I think they haven't done well. And again, I think the motor company's going to keep going strong. Shit, like I said, look around here in Texas, and that's all Harleys everywhere. So I'm one of the few not riding a Harley. If you ride something else, let me know what you ride. Tell me what you do and don't like about your bike. If you ride a Harley, tell me what you do and don't like, and if you're happy with the direction the company's going now, and if you're happy with, it seems like they backed off their stance. I know, again, let's just all get out and ride. Let's just be happy and go ride. And if you have a Harley, go ride it. If you have a Honda, go ride it. If you have anything else, go ride it and enjoy yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. I want you guys to have a great day. Let's try not to be assholes to each other, and I'll see y'all next time.
Foundation is sound. I still do the shit for my people, for Roberto, for Justin, for Jared, for Nico, Big Smitty, Big O, say stay